Our Ultra Comfort faux leather seat cushions are a cinch to install with our quick fit design. You get 2 front bucket seat covers, backrest covers, and 2 front bottom seat covers. To install, first connect the bottom seat cover to the backrest cover by attaching the butterfly discs to the straps. Then use the opening at the top of the backrest cover and slide the cover over the headrest and seat. Secure the fabric around the headrest with the hook and loop closure. Next, push the butterfly discs through the center crevices of the seat to secure the covers in place. For a tighter fit, and this is optional, attach the metal hooks to the bottom straps of the seat cover and latch the hooks onto a secure spot under the seat. Our quick fit design offers easy adjustments and a secure, snug fit, allowing you to enjoy your ride in comfort and style.